Key to English.
Fruits and vegetables. This is an apple. I love apples. It is sweet and healthy. This is an avocado. I love avocados. It is used in countless recipes. This is a mango. I love mangoes. It is creamy and smooth. This is a carrot. I love carrots. It is hard and crunchy. This is an orange. I love oranges. It is juicy and full of vitamins. This is a tomato. I love tomatoes. It is soft and tasty. This is a banana. I love bananas. It has a peel so your hands won't get sticky. This is a lettuce. I love lettuce. It is watery and light. This is a kiwi. I love kiwis. It is furry from the outside and pulpy from the inside. I love fruits. I love vegetables. What is this? It is not a fruit. It is not a vegetable. It is both a fruit and a vegetable. It is a zucchini. It is yummy. I enjoy my fruits and veggies.
Key to English.